In this problem we have
96
divided by
96
divided by
96
times.
96.
According to the order of operations, we have to work from left to right. So first we have to do this division, then this division, and finally this multiplication. If you do this multiplication before this division, it's wrong. And now let's start our solution. So first we do this division. We have
96
divided by
96,
which equals
1
now our problem became
1
divided by
96
times.
96
So we have to work from left to right.
1
Divided by
96,
which can be written as
1
over
96
times.
96
Now we can easily cancel this
96
and this,
96.
which equals 1. So our final answer for this problem is just 1.